Welcome to this quick overview of Wago terminal blocks and specialized tools presented by Integrated Electronics. Here we have the official Wago operating screwdrivers, designed perfectly to fit into the clamping units. Let's take a look at this multi-configured terminal block assembly mounted on a standard DIN rail. This setup showcases a wide variety of solutions found in the Wago full-line product catalog. Wago terminal blocks are famous for their modularity and ease of use. Notice the different colored blocks used for clear circuit identification. Here we can observe the orange pull levers. These allow for completely tool-free, hands-on opening and closing of the internal clamping unit. Next to them are the integrated push-button actuators, allowing for effortless tool-free wire termination. For some specific high-current or specialized blocks, the Wago operating tool is used to open the internal cage clamp or adjust screw-based configurations seamlessly. This specific gray block features additional terminal protection mechanisms to ensure optimal safety during operation. Securely holding the entire assembly together is the end stopper. It snaps easily onto the rail to prevent any lateral movement of the blocks. If you want to make your wiring clean, safe, and maintenance-free, contact our team of specialists today for a quote and expert support. All details are in the description below. Next, let's do a quick structural walkthrough from side to side. From standard feed-through blocks and multi-conductor blocks to specialized disconnect and ground terminals, this assembly shows the incredible versatility of the Wago system. Moving it around, you can see how securely the blocks grip onto the DIN rail, providing excellent mechanical stability and reliable performance even in high-vibration industrial environments. The secure fit helps maintain consistent connections over time. Whether you're wiring control panels, industrial automation systems, or power distribution applications, Wago delivers a dependable, maintenance-free connection you can rely on every time. For any inquiries or orders, email us at sales@integratedelectronics.co.in. You can also find it in the description below.